Welcome to today's backtesting video. This one's going to be a fast one because I'm supposed to be hopping off in 7 minutes, so I'm going to be speedrunning. I got carried away with editing. Like, this is genuinely my favorite video concept idea. So I'm hyped for it. Like, I'm enjoying editing it. It's hard, but it's fulfilling because it looks sick. So hopefully it will drop by the end of the month because it's about the going ghost thing. Hopefully I actually lock in so that I can release this video. That's my biggest motivation at this point. I can't even lie. Enough yapping. Monday 31st of July 2023. No news. I'm looking fairly bullish. Disrespected that 1 hour. Could be pushing lower though. I'm open to whichever way market manipulates, well, distributes even. Here, the only thing I don't like is that we're inside of a 3 minute, not 3 minute, a 30-second here, but I don't see why we wouldn't take out 9. Oh wait, we have an SMT. Wait, no we don't. I don't see why we would go lower than push up from here. Check out that buy side. Tapped into that 15-minute rejection block. Let's break even. Fuck. Alright, so we did miss a 1 minute there. And let's just hope for a pullback then, I guess. Little limit order play. Realistically I would have entered there if I saw that. Oh, limit order. Oh, no way, it's actually gonna work. What a trade. But yeah, realistically would have entered here. Stop there. 1-to-1. But this way it even played out better, so pretty solid. Next day. AM. Red folder. Yeah, PMI. Probably won't do too much to be honest, but good to be aware of it. SMT at previous day high. Could be getting delivered. Well, I could be getting delivered from that 4 hour that we tapped into. Might want to take that sell side, although we do have an SMT there. I'd probably be leaning more bullish personally here. Okay, perfect example right here. We're inside a 2 minute. Oh, potentially perfect, I don't actually know. We're inside a 2 minute, but because of how impulsive it all is, and because I'm more bullish than bearish to be honest, I'm gonna take this, not the highest time frame inverse. Let's see if this works. I've back tested this like twice, or 2 trades on this. Only thing I don't like is that ES is further up. Like I feel like I'll probably be bullish still. Go and break even there probably would have been the safer option. This equal highs. Oh, I hate this. Okay, well that's break even now. Break even. Okay, fair enough. A little choppy here. Safe option would have been to go break even at this first rejection, realistically. 10 a.m. Actually did something. I want data lows to get taken. Before taking longs. Equal lows with it on ES. Not gonna say I'm super bullish, but if I see structure like this, this is a bit risky. It's counter trend, 5 minute, like 1-to-1 play, predicting a bottom retrace really. Break even there. Come on, that's nice. Definitely on the riskier side. Obviously, could not have predicted that at all. So I like live markets, I would have went for a 1-to-1 here, realistically. Next day. Wednesday, 8:15 news. We got previous day high. I'm assuming that's a new day opening gap. Yeah, half filled, interesting. I'm gonna be more bullish obviously, because new day opening gap's just a strong draw usually. But I don't like when we half mitigate it, it's a bit weird. I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute here. See, in a scenario like that, you want the highest time frame inverse. But I mean, even that was technically not a valid inverse. Swept the lows. Pretty decent rejection here. 30-second inverse. 5 minute just opened up. This is another risky trade. Another one where I'm predicting the bottom pretty much. Okay, so ES has fully mitigated the gap. So I think I am gonna go break even here. Either way, would have been break even. could go for a re-entry here. Did generate a bit of low resistance here. Go for the 5-minute intermediate term high. Break even at the first internal high there. We haven't closed above that one yet. Yeah, we are in a chop, kind of predicting the end of the chop, so not the most ideal trade. I'll still argue that it's not like a proper brain dead trade though, so I guess it's fine. Hit those lows. Probably could see a reversal here. If I see some impulsive moves, might take it. Oh, big candle moves very much. Can't really actually tell if it's impulsive on backtesting or during backtesting. Probably could have taken shorts here if I'm following the general trend. I need to be aware of that and not be fixated on one certain bias when it's clearly not the right bias. Three-minute inverse. I'm gonna take this here. Feel like it's a good enough structure. Target that up here. Break even at the 5-minute. Alright, we took out all of. Oh wait, is that? No, we did. Yeah, we swept all of those lows. It's not the most impulsive move though. So I don't know. I kind of don't like the structure on the lower time frame, although we are trending high. Yeah, now I'll take it. Break even there. Oh, I said another 5-minute. Oh my god. Not ideal. Not an optimal trade. Fuck, that was my chance to go break even. Crazy. Really, I probably should have gone break even there, to be honest. I wasn't even looking at ES. Oh yeah. I definitely should have gone break even there. I'm replaying price. There's no way. Like if I saw ES had pumped and we had a huge SMT like that, and I was already controversial about it all. So smart option would have been to hop out here. That's the end of this day though. Thursday. PMI. Still got new week opening gap as well. See, that's what I meant, by the way. Like sometimes new week opening, new day opening gap just doesn't get filled, or like gets filled like way after if we like half mitigate it. Kinda trending down here, but ready for anything. So I could take shorts here. target the external range maybe. Well, I'd have to target all the way down there. So I'll take this, but I'm gonna keep in mind that longs could happen any minute. Of course, yeah. Kind of expected. Well, yeah, so if ES had a SMT. There's actually no way. Bro, I need to look at ES. I'll keep it in there, just for the sake of realisticness, I guess. And that is a 30-second. And this is like a discretionary trade that I've been experimenting with. Like, we distribute, start chopping a bit. Pretty impulsive move by the looks of it. I'm gonna go break even at the external range. I'm gonna look at ES this time as well. That's break even there. That's a 1-to-1. Like, right here, it's not my setup whatsoever, or like my original setup. But market open, we start distributing higher, we accumulate, have like all of these rejection wicks really, get an impulsive move up, which is the indication of the move really. Potentially could have targeted higher as well, to be honest, if I really wanted to. Like, if I saw that we were this volatile, potentially could have kept it in, well, kept my position in, but who knows. Hit a 1-to-1 anyway. Last day, Friday, 8:30. Previous day low. Seems like we're starting to trend up, break out of this accumulation zone, higher time frame accumulation zone. We swept data lows and highs, so we're good on that. Why is it skipping in the 5 minutes? Okay, I didn't miss anything anyway, but had that green thing turned on. Swept all of these highs here. Could potentially see movement down. Swept the lows. Yeah, nah. 30-second inverse here. I'm gonna wait for a bit more confirmation there, just because I didn't like it. Damn. That's kinda annoying. If I acted on that, would have played out, but it's whatever. Rejection block. Swept the lows. Inverse. Is that a 2 minute? It's not. So yeah, I kinda don't like this can't. Fuck me, bruv. I kinda don't like this counter trend trade. And we did sweep quite a lot of lows. Tapped into the 4-hour thing as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this. Just a 1-to-1. Gonna go break even as soon as possible. Right there. Nice. See, anything more than a 1-to-1 pretty much would have lost. Could have targeted like these highs, but there's no point risking for an extra point to risk the reward. That's niche. So yeah, quick week, speed run. And that just proves pretty much all of those trades were within the first hour of the day. And if you look at the analytics of this week, we started August. Yeah. Where is it? Why is it not coming up? That was actually a pretty solid week. I'm not gonna lie to you. Loki wasn't expecting to perform like that. That's the first time I've actually performed well on camera. So yeah, 3 for 1. It's pretty good, I would say. The loss was pretty avoidable as well, to be honest. So yeah, that's the end. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.